Hi Stickman here. I'm going to be talking about remote control boat. Dickey Belucia. It's a woody model. It has all the gauges and everything with everything on it. And it has double propellers. Engines in here. Just got to undo some latches. Battery box. It's standard engine is down in the bottom of that, but it takes battery box to charge up. It's about 6-stack. It's decent. Comes with a little controller. Each one powers one of the engines, so you do that, you turn it. It's like almost an exact model. I'd say about close to around 36 inches, pretty big. It's a nice model, and there's like a little arms with. The left one powers the left motor, and this one powers this one. So you just turn it. Kind of out of battery right now. And that's my remote control boat. Adios.